Have you ever found yourself facing unauthorized charges on your credit card or bank account? It can be very distressing, but how you handle the situation can greatly impact the outcome. Today, we are going to guide you on how you must immediately respond once you spot a fraud. Step 1. Report the unauthorized transaction immediately. Time is of essence here. Contact your bank or UPI app provider as soon as you identify any fraudulent activity. Most banks and financial institutions have dedicated fraud departments that can quickly assist you. Reporting swiftly enhances your chances of being eligible for zero liability protection, depending on the terms and conditions of your bank. During this call, make sure to provide all relevant details about the fraudulent transaction. This includes the date, amount, and nature of the transaction. The more information you can give, the better your bank can understand and address the situation. Step 2. Block your card. Request your bank to freeze your account and block your card to prevent any further unauthorized use. This action helps to protect your remaining funds and minimizes potential losses. In many cases, your bank will issue a new card with a different number, so make sure to update your payment information with any merchants or services where you have recurring charges. Step 3. Provide all relevant details. When you report the incident, it is crucial to supply comprehensive documentation. This might include emails from your bank, SMS alerts and transactions, screenshots of suspicious activity, and transaction details. All this information supports your case and helps the bank's investigation process. Step 4. Follow up with the dispute resolution process. After filing your initial report, stay proactive. Follow up with your bank to ensure your case is being processed. Keep track of deadlines and ensure you provide any additional documentation requested by the bank. This diligence increases the likelihood of recovering your funds. Step 5. File a police report if necessary. For more serious cases such as identity theft or large sums of money, it may be required to file a complaint with your local cybercrime unit or police. This report serves as an official record and can be essential for further investigations or legal actions. Step 6. Notify your credit bureau. Informing your credit bureau about the fraudulent incident is a vital step. This helps to prevent any negative impact on your credit score and ensures that your credit report accurately reflects your financial history. This can also help to prevent further issues with your credit profile. Step 7. Monitor your accounts closely. Regularly review your bank statements and credit card transactions. Set up alerts for unusual activities if your bank offers them. Prompt detection of any suspicious activity will allow you to address it quickly and reduce the impact. By taking these steps, you can effectively manage and mitigate the impact of financial fraud. For more tips on safeguarding your money and managing your personal finance, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.